तो देखते हैं क्या ऐप in the Salesforce. So what is the app in Salesforce? If I talk about the app in the Salesforce, sir has taught to us that the app contain of the only the three things. Apps in the Salesforce. Apps in the Salesforce is a little more than the containing of the all the object. It little more than the containing of the all objects, tabs, tabs and another functionality. But what this us has taught to us that the app is a collection of the collection, not a collection of the tabs. Whatever the things is written here, that this line is indicating that the app is not only the containing of the all that objects and the tabs functionality, but you can see here it is a group of the tabs. It is a group of the tabs that work as a unit, provide the application functionality. It is a group of the tabs that work a unit of the provide the application and functionality. It consists of the name, logo, and order set of the tabs. What they contain consist name, logo, and order set of the tabs. The simplest app containing only the one tab, which is a home tab, that means home tab by default logo. If I talk about what is the apps, as sir has taught, as the app is a consist of the name, logo, and set of the tabs. That means only one tab is particularly open in its. If I jump to, if we go where if we can see that there is a multiple app. This is this is a app launcher. If you click on this app, this is an app launcher. This all the things whatever you can see here, this all the things, this is a one app, this is also app, this all the apps, this all are apps. What are they are apps, and this is a object. This all the are object. Some of the this object is a app launcher, and this all the things is all item, another item other than this. Though we have the scene the object, we can see that this is a app, this is a app, this is all the app. There is a one app which is made by me, is the institution. So this is a one another app. So I completely understand what are the apps. So this is there is a two types of the app. So what is app is a set of the tabs which consist of the one name and one logo, where you can see the app logo. You can see app logo here. The look here, this is the app, this is an app logo. What is the app logo? uh, this is the logo of the app, where this is the logo of the app is institute. And if you click here, where if you click here, there and you can look at the app launcher. This is the app name. This is describe what are the app. For example, if I created the app is institute. So this is a institute app. This is for the practice. I have written in the inside of the description. So this all the things. This is the name of the this is the name, and this is the logo. And if you click it on it, there is a collection of the tabs. This is the home tab, this is the account tab, this is the student tabs. This all the collection of the tabs is known as is logo. And there is a two kind of the apps in the Salesforce. The first one is a standard app, and second one is a custom app. Standard app, now what is used for? A standard app developed by the Salesforce by default. It's and custom app is designed for its designed for for her business requirement, her business needs. So what is the standard? The app which came with the every instant of the Salesforce by default. It came with every instant of the Salesforce by default. It's included app launcher. It's included in the app launcher for call center, committee, content marketing, Salesforce chatter, and the site.com. This is the app launcher name. If you click on this, if you click on this, this is a by default app which is whatever the name is. For example, app launcher. There is an app for the app launcher. There is a app which is a sales. There is an app service cloud. This all are the this all are the by default instant of the Salesforce. It developed by the Salesforce. The app can be custom according to need and requirement of the organization. The standard app, whatever the standard app is, that they can be custom according to needs of the requirement and the requirement and uses of the label, describe, and logo is of the standard app cannot be changed. The label and description and logo, what are the label, description, and logo of the standard app cannot be changed. You can customize the app according to your requirement, but you cannot customize the label, what are the description is the given, and logo of the standard app cannot be changed. If you try to do it, you cannot be change your app. Let's see what will happen and what are the problem faced while we upgrading to it. In quick section box, I type the app launcher. Here I type the app launcher. What is that? App launcher. App launcher. Sorry, app management. Sorry, this is app launcher. This is for 9 grid is for the app launcher, and this is for the app manager. For example, any standard app, I will take the sales app, which is here. I click on it and try to edit it. What the things I can edit on it, or what are the things I cannot be edit? You can not be edit the developer mode. You can maybe customize this name also, and you can be editing here and you can be edit this. All the things are there here from the here, and this preview also of the app is given. Then this is a classic. Why they are jumped into the classic? App management. In app management, where is the sales? I try to classic. This is a classic. Maybe the this is developed in the classics. That's why they're showing the classic. There is a two app. I tell this is an important thing to you, that there is a two app. You can see here the Salesforce Lighting and Salesforce Classic. What are the difference between them? Salesforce Lighting is work on the lighting. If you created the app in the lighting app, for example, this is the lighting tab, you created in the lightings tab, then it work on the lighting. And if you create it on the classic and lighting, the app which is created in the classic is visual on the classic, and the app which is created in the lighting, it visual on the lighting. App type is given here. You can see that this app is for the classic, and this is classic lighting connecting management managed. I don't know what is this, but app is depend on the mode, which are the mode are the given. So this is the classic mode. I open the new lighting app. I try to edit that. Now you can see that there is no delete button is came here. Why? Because this is you can upload the image option here, and you can customize the app from here also. You can navigate from here also, and this all the things are the given. That means you can customize your app according to your requirements. What is that? You can customize your app according to requirements, whatever the things is written is correctly. Then second is the custom app, the app which are the built to meet the specific business needs and requirements of the organization. What are the standard app is developed by the any specific business needs and requirement. Custom app can be made by the grouping standard as well as a custom tab. Custom, as we know that the tabs are the app container of the tabs, and the custom app can be contain the both tabs. Which one are the tabs? They contain the standard and the custom tab also. Logo is the custom app can be added and they can be changed after also. You can be add the logo and you can be custom the app logo after that also. Console app. After the app, I jump to the tabs. What are the tabs? Tabs in the Salesforce helped you to view the information at a glance. What are the app is used to view the information at the glance. It displays the data and object and another web content application. It help for the UI purpose. Or tabs is used for the UI purpose only. There is a four main types of the tabs. Are there five types of the tabs are the given, but there is a four main types are the standard tab. Standard tab display the data related of the standard object, which if the standard tab you can add and remove your standard tab from your app, but standard app deliver only the data display related to a standard object, and custom object or tab custom object tab display the data related to the custom object. It display only the data related to the custom object. The tabs look functionality like the standard object. The tabs looks and functionality like a standard object. What are the functionality of the standard object? That is a similar kind of the functionality you can look in the custom object also. There is an web tab. The web tab display the external web based application or the web page in the Salesforce. If you want to display any web based application in the Salesforce, you can customize your the web tab application. Then next is the Visual Force tab. Visual Force tab display from the Visual Force page. If you created any Visual Force page, then you can view into it any HTML like the structure and argument. There is a two types of, one is a Visual Force tabs and another one is a lightning tabs. What are the difference? Visual Force tab is used to display the normal. In Classic there is a if you want the UI, then you can create the Visual Force page, which is used to display the data in the Classic mode. But if you want to create the lighting page, and if you want to any lighting app, now what are the if you create any lighting page, then that lighting page data is displayed on the lighting tab. It is related to lighting app, and this is Visual Force tabs related to any Classic app. So what are the both are the things. Visual Force tabs is used for the Visual Force for the displaying the Visual Force pages, and lighting tab is used for the lighting page layout framework access from the this all the things is over here. If the tabs are visible by default, or the another appear on the top bar along with the another very visible tab. Tab visualization is the another topic then I will be discuss. Now I jump to the notes whatever I created here. That You can look here that the what is the app in the Salesforce is a collection of the tabs, object and the functionality that's work together to perform the specific business function. This work together to perform the specific business function. In simple word, app is a container that group related, for example, account, container, report and the dashboard extra in one place of and easily accessible. For example, name, logo, as I said that the start that the app is a collection of the set of the tabs which contain the one name and one logo, and this all there is a app is two types: standard app and the custom app. A standard app and the custom app. A standard app, what is the standard app? A standard app provided by defaults by the Salesforce, for example, sales, service plan or the committee. This all the app are the standard app. Custom app is created by user or developed to meet the specific business need, created by user and developed for the any specific business need, for the HR management, student protection and the Apple week. Then after that, the connected app, this is allow external app to connect with the Salesforce to the API. Any external app is connected with the API of the Salesforce, that is a connected app. Integrate with the Gmail, Outlook or the Stack. These all the, if you integrating with them, then is as a connecting app. And one is the console based application. I also then component of the apps is app contain the tab, logo, navigation bar and the profile and permission. App like account and contact, this all this logo customizable with then navigation bar for the easy movement and the profile and parameter to control who can access the app. If you are building food delivery management, you might be create a custom app with the food delivery app that contain the tabs of the restaurant order and the custom delivery partner report, and you create the another report, order summary and the review. The dashboard is a daily sales overview. Second is what is the tabs in the Salesforce. Tabs, I have already tabs in the Salesforce, a shortcut that allow to view, manage data of an object, view and manage the data of object and the web content quickly. Web component that content quickly. Each tabs display the record from the object, like the account, container and the student. If I talk about, there is a three types of the five types of the standard tab which is developed by the system customers and developed on the business requirement. Visual Force tab used for the displaying the Visual Force pages, which is work in the classic. Lighting tab, which is used for the display the lighting display the lighting page built in the app builder. What are that is built in the app builder. And web tab is used for the display the external web content. I initially read out the object tab display the record of the standard or the customized object. For example, account and the student. This is a custom object and this is a standard object. Web tab display the external web component like a website inside the Salesforce. For example, www.google.com. You can thus view external web tab is also can be created on this. I want to learn the how it will created. Then Visual Force tab display a custom Visual Force page. Order management page is also lighting page displays the lighting page built in the app builder. A custom overview and custom tab user create tab for the custom object. And then one is a Visual Force tab. What is that? Visual Force tab Visual Force used for the developing the UI. What is it used for the developing the UI, and which UI have developed can access and store the Visual Force tab. Yeah, whatever the UI, and you can access from the Visual Force. Adoptable in the Salesforce section. Visual Force tab UI is developed by the code of the Visual Force UI. You can develop the UI. For example, the vehicle rental system. This all the tabs are the creator. The next part is the I covered all the theoretical concept on it. Then after that we jump on the how to app should be created. All the possible combination and the question are the related to app and development. For example, there is a three things A, B, C, D, and there is a tabs. I have generated this all the things here. For example, I created the one standard, two standard app, and this is a custom app. This is the app, and this is the tabs, and this is the object. One of the things is that I want to tell that the object is not related with the app. If you delete the, for example, if standard app is connected with the standard app, can you add the custom tab on it? Yeah, you can add on the, you can any tab can be added to the any of the object, no matter if there is a standard object or there is a custom object. They can be add the standard tab and the custom tab both on it. This is the first question, is that can we delete A? No, you cannot delete the A because this is a standard object, and the standard object cannot be deleted. Cannot be deleted. Can delete our C? Yeah, you can delete or the C. If I deleted the C, then the object object fourth can be deleted. No, if you deleted any app, there is no dependency with the any object, and if and tab also is not deleted. Maybe that one tab is the visible in the multiple apps. There is a possibility that one app tab is visible in the multiple object. If you multiple app, if you deleted any app, any custom app, then it's not be deleted the whole object, and it not be deleted the tabs. Can I delete the tabs? Yeah, you can delete the tabs. Why tabs is used for the describe the things in the UI format. For example, UI format, that means if you created any objects tab, then you can see the all data of the student tabs, student things in the proper grid format or proper UI. If you deleted the tab, it not related to be object. Can I delete the standard object? No, you cannot delete the standard object. Can I delete the O3 object? Yeah, you can delete the O3 object. What it affect on the app launcher and app and the tabs. If you deleted any object, any custom object, then if there is a tab associated with them are visible in the page, then the tab is also deleted from all the object. What are the object are the connected, they all the tabs is deleted from the deleting the particular any object. This all the things are the written in here also, and this all the proper question is so let's see what are the questions asked in the question. So first of the question is can we add the custom tab in the standard app? Can we add the custom tab in the standard? Yes, you can add the both standard and the custom tab in the standard app. Whatever the things I have told you, that the app can be added on to in app there is a can be added both the objects and both the tabs of the custom app and the standard apps. For example, if there is standard app, can add the custom, yeah, standard app में custom tab add कर सकते हैं, yeah, you can add the custom. और एक ही टैब में मल्टीपल ऐप भी ऐड हो सकता है. That means one tab, for example this tab can be added on the multiple app also. For example, this is added on the B, this is added on the C, they can be added on the D also. This is also possible in that, and this thing. Second question, can we add the standard tab in the custom app? Can we add the standard tab in the custom app? Can be add, yeah, you can add. Yes, you can include the standard object like that, the account and the custom in the custom app also, yeah. Can add the custom tab using the multiple app. Yeah, you can add one app custom tab and object. It can be in the multiple object. Can create the one object have the multiple tabs? No, you can not possible. Same object have the multiple tabs. This is not possible. To create the same app with multiple object, not possible. So, can create the custom object without tab. Yeah, it can be created. Tab is for the UI functionality. You can create the custom object without having the tab. Yeah, when we creating the custom object, you can choose not create a tab. For example, for a user only create the backend relations. Yeah. Sixth question, can we create the tab without having the object? Yeah, this question is a tab. Can we create a tab without having the object? Yes, partially true. If you talk about the how it is true, there I already told you that there is a multiple types of the tab. Standard object tab, custom object tab, web tab, and visual force tab, and lighting tab. If you talk about the standard and the custom object tab, they cannot be created without having the object. But if we talk about the web tab and visual force tab and lighting tab, they can be created without having the object. Partially yes, for non-object like the non-object tabs. For the non-object tabs like the web tabs or the visual force tabs, you need to you does not need an object. You does not need the object. You can create but the object tab already needed the object. But the object tab, for the object tab, for whether no matter the standard or the custom object, they require the tabs. That's why you cannot be created the custom object tab without having the object. Seventh question is if we delete the custom object, will tab be delete automatically? If you deleted the custom object, then will it have deleted automatically? Yes, deleting the custom object automatically deleting a relationship related tab, all related whatever the things I have told you. That if you deleted any custom app, then it will delete all the tabs related to it. If we deleted the custom tab, will the object will deleted? No, I already said deleting the tabs does not depend on the object. Only the shortcut tabs is removed. Only the data of the view can view the tabs is deleted. Data remain the safe. Can we renew the tabs label without affecting the object name? Yeah, you can. Yes, you can just change the tab label. Renew tabs label. It does not affect the internal object API name. It does not affect the any internal. Can user can access the app but not see in the tab inside it? Yes, user profile and permission set. You can hide the certain tab from the specific user. You can see these all the things in the security in the section of the Salesforce security. This all the things how to hide the tabs objects from the user. Can we add same tab in the two different apps? Yeah, you can add the same tab account tab in the multiple apps also. And 12th question is that Can we add visual force or the web tab in the app? Yes, visual tabs and the web tabs can be added in the standard or the custom app. In both the app you can add. Can we delete the standard object or the tabs? No, you cannot delete the standard object or these tabs like the account and the contact. You can only hide them, the profile you can hide from them, but you cannot be delete from it. So what are the next question? Can we rename the standard tabs and the object label? Yes, Salesforce allow to rename the standard labels. That's when account to clients. You can convert it using the renewable tab or the label feature. You can renable it. Can custom app exist without being added to any app? Yeah, you can add it, create the custom object, keeping it hide and not added to any app. Still access view the API and the lookup field. This can be accessed. Can we control the order of the type order of the tabs in the app? Yeah, you can yeah, order of the tab that means you can have there is a order of the tabs. This is the first is order account first. Yeah, you can over click on it and you can be manage the order of the tab, manage of the manage inside of the tab, app manager, and edit the navigation item. Also you can, that means we can be change it by the app manager, and then first of all we have to jump into the app, this one, and then is app management. Where is the app management? App management, app management. In app management, for example, institute app I created. What are the custom app? Where is the name of the custom as institute? This is that, and this is a lighting app. This is a custom app, that's why it show the delete and cloning of the app feature. Also I click to the edit, and then I can see that the navigation item you can customize according to this. If you want to account to be up, then it should be app, and if you want to app account in there and you save it, you can see here in the account section that the order of the order will change. This is showing the lighting page. Why? I don't know what is the reason. This is the account tab. This is, I don't know what is the problem is happening here. This is a tablet. Maybe there is chances that they support only the lighting things, not any other things. If I jump to the institute, if I click here and jump to the institute, I click on it, there you can look here. The order of the execution is that home is at the last student, and then is the account tab. This can be changed. Now it changed completely. Here, if we clone an app, will a copy tab agar and there is a app cloning is a section is available in that. If I cloning the app, yes, when you clone the app, the copy of the tabs is also, yes, when you cloning the app, its tab and the layout setting are copied. All the its layout setting are the copy. Can we have the custom app without having any tab? Partially yes. Custom app without having the without having the without any tab, partially true, yes, but usually every app need at least one visual One visual tabs is useful. Technically, it is possible, but not in the practical. That's means if you created any app, then at least one app should be there. Can one app contain the both standard and the custom object and tabs? Yes, together, yes. Can a tab is hidden for some user but visible for other? Yeah, yes. Tabs is visual, can be control. You view the profile and the permission setting, default on or default off or hide. This the setting is when creating the app, and the setting there is a setting which is for the default on default. And tab visualization, you can see all the through video. This all the things we have the discuss. Can we delete that? We cannot delete the B. Now it's time to create the app. Now it's time to create the app. But before that, I separate that video with them. This is all the theoretical part which is necessary to creating the app, which is known for the know for it. So what we have the scene, what is the app, and what are the contents of in it, and this all the things. An app is a collection of this thing. What are the tabs and how many types of the tabs, and some related question of the based on the app custom tabs and the objects. This all the things are the covered in this video.